Hello guys, this is Krish and this is cash stuffing number 2 for the unnecessary expenses and yearly payments. So let's take a look of how much money we have here. There is a 1 zloty left over from the previous stuffing. I didn't know what to do with, so we're just gonna take the remaining money and we will count the budget. So let me see if it's enough to even stuff anything. Okay, so first I need to sort those monies. And we will see if there is enough. Oh God, I lost it. Okay. It's slipping through my fingers today. Okay. Let's first organize it a little bit, because it's not organized and I hate it when it's not. So let's count this money. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, and 50. 515, this is what we have. So usually what I would also stuff in this particular setup would be more than that, but I already paid for one of the categories with cash, so this is why we don't have much money. We have some change left here, but first let me see where we go. So on the previous stuffing we stuffed transportation. We didn't stuff transportation because it actually in the bank account, but we did stuff pets, health, and a smile. So let's go for the yearly expenses. The yearly expenses, they're supposed to have 200, and let's see, they do have 200. So this month for the yearly payments, we for the insurance, we're gonna give it another 100. Oops. Let's see. 100 is going to go to the yearly expenses for both insurance, for the car as well as for the house. It doesn't include the life insurance because we didn't take it yet, but we're gonna have it, I think, organized this year, so we'll see. All right, so there goes the insurance. Coffee for March is going to get a 50. But you know, it needs to dry out as well. A 50, here we go. I'm going to pull that away so it dries out. So that was coffee. Gifts is going to have 100. House is going to have 100. It's all emptied out because we have so much expenses. That's ridiculous. Clothes is going to have 100. So 50, 70, 90, and 100. I already paid for the gem, as I mentioned, 760, and leftover money is going to go towards the 52 weeks, 100 envelope challenge. So let's see how much we have left. 100. Ooh, 100 and wait. 101, 2, 3, 104. 104. 104. The rest is going to go for the tabby. Oh. I'm losing all of the coins. All right, go, tabby, go, go, go. Okay, tabby is now filled. So 104 is going to go here. So I just like to start from the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to count 98, which is going to leave me with 6. And this is 104. All right, so that was all for the video number 2 and the stuffing number 2 for March. So thank you very much for watching. That was a brief one, but I decided that this way is going to be a little bit better than stuff everything in one go. I can't separate the stuffing by week because it simply doesn't work for my family. So I need to do them monthly. So I would rather have 4 smaller videos than one big one once a month. So I think this is fair enough. All right, so next time we're going to stuff my personal binders, my personal binder, and maybe some challenges left over. So I'll see you next time. Bye.